Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Flip app. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you just go down here until you found apps, click on it. You come to apps list and here you're looking for Flip app. Or just click on search. Add here Flip, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to this list here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. Search here for Flip app, it's going to show for you like this. You found here updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.